Welcome back to East Coast UK. Today join me on a nice bright but chilly day in Dip Farm, and we're currently at the former pitch and putt, and this is, I think, the 9th hole this is. But what we're actually going to do is not film Dip Farm. We have been up here before using various drones, but we've got the Mini 2 SE with us today, and we're going to fly over this place here, which you can only just about see from the ground, but that is Pleasurewood Hills. So we did briefly film nearby Pleasurewood Hills in the summertime of last year, but that was when it was open. At the moment it's closed, so we can fly over it because it hasn't got large crowds in there. And of course we've got the Mini 2 SE, which is a lightweight drone and which is quite able to fly over places like this. Okay, speak to you at the end. Right, welcome back. Well, as you see, we flew over there and got some lovely shots, and we saw the sea lions out in the water there. Was at quite a height, so that wouldn't have disturbed them at all, and we zoomed right in and saw the roller coasters, and looks like they're getting ready obviously for the summertime, and there is staff on site at the moment, and I believe they are doing interviews at the moment as well. So if anyone's local is looking for a summertime job, contact them. Right, okay, so we took the Mini 2 SE, as I said, up over Pleasurewood Hills. Quite windy up here today. I'm using the mic with me, the external mic. Remember to bring it today, which is one good thing, so there should be less wind noise, but we will see. Okay, well, normal jazz, like, comment, subscribe, you know the drill by now. Bye bye for now.